Welcome to Univar Solutions BeautyLAB, where we discuss challenges and solutions to all your formulating needs. My name is Estelle Legros, and I am a technical specialist in the Solutions Center of Versailles in France. Join me in our lab as we work with common formulating issues regarding sunscreens. In this video, I will take you behind the scenes of the formulation of our SPF 15 hybrid sun serum, share technical information, challenges met, as well as formulation tips. A good way to introduce this video would be to let you know from the start that this hybrid sun serum was initially meant to be a hybrid sun spray formula. It has been a real challenge to formulate a high SPF, low viscosity sprayable sun product made of organic and mineral filters and a high content of natural origin ingredients. One of the first issues consisted in formulating a sprayable, low viscosity product that would suspend a substantial amount of filters. Finding an emulsifying system that would be able to stabilize the formula without increasing too much its viscosity asked for a lot of trials. Used at 2%, EcoSense APP 5000 showcased great emulsifying properties, keeping the formula's viscosity low enough to be sprayed. Due to the amount of lipophilic phase that had to be added to the formula to obtain a high SPF value, we had to modify the emulsifying system by the addition of co-emulsifiers. The combination of 0.4% of Colafax CPE TMB with 2% of EcoSense GL60HA allowed the formula stabilization while keeping its viscosity low. However, it impacted the formula's sprayability. To ease the incorporation and stabilization of the zinc oxide in this hybrid formula, we made the choice to use 15% of an oil dispersible coated zinc that had been easily dispersed in the oil phase. We had to be more careful to ensure the correct solubilization of the organic filters in the mixture. Once the filters have been selected, we had to make sure to begin with that they would solubilize properly in the lipophilic phase and thus form a transparent mixture. Then, to identify a potential crystallization effect, we place the solution in the fridge for 24 hours. If crystallization appears at this stage, it means that the filters are not properly dissolved in the lipophilic phase and changes have to be made. It could be, for instance, increasing the emollient amount or substitute the emollient used by ones that would display better solubilizing properties. Formulating high SPF formula requires the addition of higher amount of filters. To avoid the oily and sticky finish that can be provided by the high amount of lipophilic phase, you could choose to add in your formulas hydrophilic filters. Another tip regarding the solubilization of your organic filters would be to pay attention to the microscopy of your formula, as it will give you a lot of information regarding the dispersion of your filters and will help you anticipate potential instability. This picture is the microscopy of a formula that became stable after 1 month instability at 45 degrees. We can see in the front line an orange non-homogeneous particle size distribution of small round to big T-formed shape. They represent the liposoluble filters that are not solubilized properly in the lipophilic phase. Adjustments had to be made to correct the issue. We can see in this tutorial that the changes of the nature of the oil phase by the addition of polar emollients with great solubilizing properties such as Holstar C1215 alkyl benzoate, EcoSmooth 1100 and Exepal LMLC has clearly helped resolving the issue. This formula is still a work in progress, as we weren't able to obtain a sprayable formula, but we are proud to have presented you this texture that spreads effortlessly on the skin, leaving it hydrated and glowy with no white cast. Thank you so much for watching the latest BeautyLAB challenge brought to you by Univar Solutions in Versailles in France. We hope you find this content interesting. Please feel free to reach out to us should you have any other questions or needs as it relates to formulations. Until next time, stay curious and have a great day.